Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be answering the question, how do I fix a coolant leak? There are a lot of products that you can add to the coolant which will help seal small leaks in your coolant system. However, if your coolant system is leaking, it is always possible that it's due to a larger problem. The recommended fix for hoses that have cracked, burst, or have other leaks is to find the damaged hose. Sometimes it might be a little tricky, so you'll really have to look around and replace it with a new one. To do that, all you have to do is remove this clip, and on the other side of the hose there's a clip. You pull the old hose off, put the new hose on with your clips, and that's that. Now, if you have a cracked reservoir, a cheap fix is to remove it, clean it, and dry it all out, and then go out and buy plumber's goop, which is a type of glue, and put that on it, and then reinstall it.